Hey friends, if you wish to collaborate in real time on a Word document, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Now, before anything else, you need to save it to the cloud. So turn the switch on and it will save your document to the cloud. It may also ask for OneDrive permissions. Then click on share here. You may click share earlier as well without saving it to the cloud, but you won't get all the options. Then click on share and then you will be able to share it with the link or by sending an email to the person. Okay, you can also copy this link and send it to the person. Now I'll show you what the link looks like. Now the difference between sending a link with or without connecting to OneDrive is that in the latter case, in the case where you have shared the link after collaborating with OneDrive, is where you can collaborate with others, where you can work on the document together as if you were to work on a Google Doc. So this is the difference. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.